I'm going to show you how I set up my channel monitoring screen to keep track of your YouTube channel. I keep this on a second monitor all day just to watch out for potential issues, or even better, hopefully videos that are going viral. Start by opening a Microsoft Edge window. Once you're in Edge, click the split screen button next to the address bar. This option may be available in other browsers, but I use the Edge one. Once you've got your split screen set up, you'll need to go ahead and add your content. I'm using links that I saved in my favorites. I'll show you how I get to these in a little bit, so make sure you stick around. You can see on the right part of the screen, I've got my views. I can see both the count for the last 48 hours and the last hour. It is a nice way to see what is getting views on your channel. You can see on the left part of the screen, I've got my current subscribers. For my channel, this doesn't constantly change, but when I release a video that is doing well, it is really nice to see it increment from time to time. Now let me show you how to get to each of these screens. Let's turn off the split screen. So you'll go to YouTube and then go to YouTube Studio. And now click on Analytics. You can see it right here under the word Real Time, the link that says See Live Count. You can right-click it to copy the link and create a bookmark, or you can click it to see the screen we were looking at previously. And back on the Analytics main screen, you can see the See More link under Top Content. Once you're here, you can sort this by last 60 minutes or by last 48 hours to see whichever view gives you the information that you're looking for. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day, and I hope you are having a very good success growing your YouTube channel.